Welcome to my review on CuriOddesy Museum and Zoo. We had such a fun adventure, and you're going to see it in this video. The first section was optical illusions and satisfying objects. What is up, guys? We are at CuriOddesy in California, and this is super cool. There's so many cool arts and contraptions and optical illusions, and you guys are going to see all of it in this video. This is the first one. Peace. Enjoy. And just like that, our journey at CuriOddesy begins. The first thing that we saw was the fog bowl. If you put your hand in it and raise it slowly, it'll look like fog is coming out of your palm. The next thing that we saw was this super cool satisfying object where once you twist the lever, it makes a cool optical illusion. The next thing we saw was this satisfying, super satisfying, you turn the table and then all the balls come all the way down. The next thing we saw was, I used to love watching these videos, was looking at pool balls go down an obby and go all the way and reach the bottom and race each other. It's so satisfying to see all of this stuff, but there was a lot more. This is just the beginning of all the optical illusions. There's a water tornado that you can make by twisting a knob. There's this super satisfying. Now we were getting into the science area. By twisting a knob, sound molecules all raced together and were shaking the ping pong balls in the middle. Then we found this thing, which is a mirror which slowly turns in the direction that you pull the lever. I don't think it's just me who thinks that everything here is super, super duper satisfying and super cool, because I was so shocked and amazed just to find out all the scientific cool extractions that you can do, and that science is so cool. For example, look at this. By using a pedal, you can make the rope go flying. Look how cool this is. We were approaching the end of the science section and the optical illusion section, and we were going to head over to the zoo area. This is where we're about to see super cool animals like owls, birds, plants, and all types of different animals. But first, look at this cool toy that I found. There's air blowing from the bottom. You put like a pool noodle there, and it floats all the way up to the top. And now we were entering section 2, the zoo. This part was probably more cooler than the optical illusions. So the first thing we saw were a bunch of different owls and a bunch of different turtles and bird types and iguanas, newts, salamanders, snakes. And it was super cool. I will admit they had cool patterns on them. And then we found this golden eagle, which can go up to 200 miles per hour at its fastest. That's crazy. But we didn't waste any time because we had to see everything. So we saw the porcupine, and that looks massive. This owl over here, the great gray owl, looked like it was just zoned out. This coyote was sleeping. These raccoons were just playing with each other, and there's also a third one. And there's this vulture acting wise. What's up, guys? We are in the animal exhibit, well, specifically the bird exhibit. You can hear them in the background, and there's a lot of different birds. There's so many ducks, there's so many vultures and eagles and owls, and you guys are gonna see a few of them now. But look at all this, so beautiful, and you're learning a lot. Peace. Now that we were moving to the amphibian side of the zoo, we found 3 toads that were camouflaged with the rock. It took me some time to find them, but with them was a salamander hiding in the log. What is up, guys? We're in the under cave, there's a cave, and we get to see a view of there's supposed to be an otter. Oh, you see it right there, swimming around. Right there. Come on, come closer. Oh, it's coming. Oh, it just swam past. That's a sea otter. It's really cool. That was super cool that we saw an actual sea otter, because that's my first time ever. But we needed a break, so we went to the playground, and we had a chill time there. What is up, guys? We are leaving CuriOddesy right here. We had a lot of fun. It's a bit gloomy today, so we didn't go outside that much, but we did see lots of cool animals and plants, and I learned a lot about different animals. And there are so many squirrels here. It's like so funny. And look, there's even 2 right there. On that tree, there's 2. But today was so much fun, and if you're coming to California to visit, well, the Bay Area, you should definitely come to CuriOddesy. Super nice, super cool, and it's right next to the airport, so we saw so many landing planes. Yeah, I would rate today a 9 out of 10, and yeah, I'm ready to go eat now. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more awesome travel vlogs and amazing content. Thanks for the support. Peace.